So when you put your order in for the full kind of kit that you could get from Home Loving, you would be ordering a 5 litre and a 500ml product. So they come in all three, but I'm just going to show you here how the stainless steel one would arrive. So you have got, your product will come with a black cap, and you will order a 500 with a white top. Now this is nice and easy really for you to be sent through the post. However, what you will need to then get on top of that is this sort of connector tap for your large pot, and you will be also getting a trigger. Now the reason these are sold separately, which is very different to other products I know, but these are because these aren't easily to be recycled, and our essence basically is about not throwing things away. We don't want any single-use plastics, but these are the best way to get these products to you and to delivered. So what we're going to say is that you need to take these on top of, but you will never need to buy them again. You just reuse them. So let me show you how easy it is to attach them all. When your product arrives, you literally unscrew the cap, keep hold of that because you're going to need this when you send this back to us. And then you apply your top to the, make sure it's nice and sealed, to your 5 litre, and then you will take off your cap for your 500ml and apply your trigger like so. Now you would use your product all the way through until it comes down to the bottom and is no longer spraying as sufficiently, and then this can be stored in any of your cupboards, but the idea is that you would then refill by taking it out, a little bit like a wine box, I guess, that kind of feel, and you're able to then decant nice and easily into your bottle underneath. And this stores away nice and easily. You can pop that into your cupboard. If you're looking for space-saving ideas, you can turn the tap around so that it's nice and easy and compact, and that stores really lovely into your cupboard, anywhere in your kitchen or maybe up on the top of a unit. So nice and easy for you to use. You then have these two things. Don't throw them away, keep them somewhere safe because you will and may need to use them again. These are your Home Loving range and your Home Loving heroes.